Shalom Yeladim. This is art from Ariela's kitchen. Today we're going to make butterflies. So I have many different ways that I prepared for you to see what I did, and some of them I will show you what to do. So one of the things that I made for you is paper that you can cut, you can color and cut, and even make mobile from so many different kind of butterfly. Or the night butterfly I even like by itself, and you can even, if you color it really beautifully, you can cut those butterfly and put it on a canvas like 3D with a pin, and it will be amazing. This is another butterfly that I'm going to have for you to download. And if you have a colored paper, it's great, so you can just print it in color paper and cut the different color of papers. But if not, it doesn't matter, because you can always use the white and color it yourself. Another butterfly that I would like to show you, you're going to have, of course, for download. It's 3 pages. Each page have A, B, and C. And those 3 different kind of butterflies and different sizes that you can just put one on top of another, like I did here. I'm going to show you an example. For example, I take the big butterfly, I take the middle butterfly, and I take the smaller butterfly, and I'm going to staple it and fold it in the middle and just separate the wings, and that's how it looks like. I like it. I also like to layer it. You can layer it in different ways. You can put even the yellow a little bit higher, the orange a little bit down, because every way that you layer it is going to be looking different. Also, you can print those sheets on a white paper, color it, decorate it the way that you want it. Do whatever you want, use your imagination, and you all so talented, so I'm sure you can come with your own great ideas. I also wanted to show you some butterflies that I made from things that I found at home. For example, this butterfly I made from cupcake holders. As you see, I have it here. It was pretty simple. I just flattened it down. Did made 2 half circles, cut it in the end, put sticker on, and that's it. And the sticker on it, and that's made me a butterfly. And of course I cut it on the side. This one actually I use a spoon, and I use a different kind of cupcake holder. So I took the cupcake, I flattened them, put this in the middle. You fold them in the middle, same way as we did the other one. And then I kept adding different colors. And I put stickers and buttons. I just want to show you that you can use so many different things. Now this butterfly I made out of napkin. So those napkins that I found at home. So I fold it in half. I made 2 triangles. And I attach the triangles, and then with glue I force attach, and then I attach this to it. And actually, if you use stickers, you don't even need to use glue, because what's going to happen, if I will put a sticker on that, that will stick actually everything. So let me show you. And then, of course, you probably will need to glue it or staple it, whatever makes you happy. And then, like, play with it the way that you want to play with it. Okay, I would like to show you another butterfly that I made out of paper plate. I cut the paper plate in half, and I put the opposite sided, I actually stapled the opposite sided together, and in the middle I decorated it with pearls, and I put all kind of wires on it. And this is not done yet, but I'm still going to work on it. So as you see, it's a paper plate, you cut it in half, and you put the two round sides. You see how the plate is in half, and you put the two opposite sides together. Another butterfly that I would like to show you is one that you can make out of tin foil. I love tin foil because it's really a material that you can sculpt. So I'm going to show you what I did there. And I just fold it to be a triangle. So you can make the triangle as big as you want, as small as you want. And then I was like trying to do the same with this paper, and I tried to make the size to be exact. So that was so good about tin foil that you can keep folding it, and then you're going to get the right result. You just have to play with it a little. So right now this is still look a little big, so I kept measuring it and getting the right size. And then in the end, I took it and I put it together to give me a butterfly. And then what you can do with this tin foil is very cool to use with permanent markers. I didn't do it yet, but that's what I'm going to do with my butterfly. I'm going to draw on it with the permanent markers, but if you don't have permanent markers, pens also work. Now, another thing that I use for my butterfly here, it's a fork, because they just read to me the right way, and that's what I felt. But as you see, with this butterfly, I can keep folding it and playing with it, and I'm going to glue it in the end. And here I have a lot more to work on, but that's the first one that I made out of tin foil. I would like to show you another butterfly that it's made out of hearts, and you can do it in so many different ways. You can do two hearts together and it's a butterfly. You can take even 4 of them and make a butterfly. You just attach them in a way that you want to. You can glue it, staple it, you can put a lot of different kind of material on it. As usual, just have fun. And I would like to tell you that butterfly, it's one of my favorite insects because they're beautiful and they are free.